Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you schedule a post on Instagram? Well, that is going to be the topic for today's video, so sit around and watch the tutorial. So, open your Instagram, and on the Instagram, so let's say you're trying to make a post here. Just wait for it to load a little bit here. It also works on the PC, by the way. Okay, so I'm just using this is another tutorial video of mine, so just go on ahead, click OK, and after that we're going to be going to more options, and in more options scroll down here a little bit. In here on the options you could see that you could adjust the date, and after you're done with that just click on done, and that'll be it for the scheduling. That's how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Have a nice day.